was telling us the timing of this particular announcement is very, very interesting, and we are learning that Aam Aadmi Party is not going to attend the INDI block meeting that is scheduled for tomorrow. According to sources, Aam Aadmi Party netas are saying that Congress Party failed to lead the INDI alliance, and in fact it has criticized its own allies just ahead of the monsoon session. Aam Aadmi Party, and that is the reason why, has decided to make this big declaration today of ending its association with the INDI bloc. Let's go back to Niyamika, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Niyamika, it's interesting, like you were explaining to our viewers, the timing, of this particular announcement. And tomorrow there is a crucial meeting of the INDI bloc, the strategy meeting. Aam Aadmi Party is not going to attend that particular meeting.
Well, yes, indeed. Aam Aadmi Party, as per the sources which are telling us this information, are saying that Aam Aadmi Party is not ready to be a part of any kind of meeting which is being called by the Congress Party's leadership, because both Aam Aadmi Party and Congress are now on two different paths. They are not want to work together. The Aam Aadmi Party doesn't want to be a part of any kind of alliance where the Congress Party is leading, and that is the only reason why it is being told to us that in tomorrow's meeting as well, which is being called by the Congress President, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, as he has called this meeting, and Aam Aadmi Party is not going to be present in that particular meeting, which is being called to prepare a strategy for the upcoming parliament session. Because in the past we have seen that during the time when assembly elections were taking place in different states, including Haryana, we have seen that Aam Aadmi Party had contested against the Congress Party in that particular assembly election. But during the time when parliament session had come in, at that particular point in time, all of the opposition parties were standing united. They had chalked out a united front against the BJP government to target the BJP government and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and that is the only reason why during the parliament session we used to see that all of these leaders were standing united. But this time the interesting part is that even during the parliament session, now Aam Aadmi Party has completely differentiated itself from the India bloc and India alliance, as this meeting which is being called is being called by the Congress Party, and they are not going to be a part of this. So it seems like the India alliance is falling apart. Earlier it was TMC who had raised a question upon the Congress Party's leadership. They were not really satisfied with Rahul Gandhi's leadership, and now this time it is Aam Aadmi Party which is standing against the Congress Party. They are not ready to be a part of this entire meeting to chalk out the strategy for the upcoming parliament session, only because it is the Congress Party which is leading the front, and they are not going to accept any such thing which is being led by the Congress Party. On the other side, if you talk about the assembly elections, and they had already made this very clear that in Bihar, Aam Aadmi Party is going to contest solo. They are not going to be a part of Mahagathbandhan. So clearly there is a rift which is coming out in open within the India bloc, within the opposition parties, ahead of the Bihar assembly elections.
How the other members of the INDI bloc will really respond, whether some others are going to follow suit or not, that remains to be seen. Thank you very much, Niyamika, for the moment, for joining